Now it can get a bit confusing if the first time coming to Ben Thanh Market because there are so many intersections, but there's one tip. The rates are average, but there's another shop opposite, which is my one, but then it's closed now. So this art museum is called TOA. There's a stuff inside. I reached the central market where there's a lot of shopping and international food court. This is a Phang Nung Lao area. Lots of hotels and tour guide agencies. Tour agencies. Greetings from Saigon, Ho Chi Minh City, District 1, Vietnam. I'm now at the Bến Thành station, which is the Night 1 metro. And it's raining now. Today is a weekday, about 5:45 p.m. And I'm going to explore the Bến Thành Market. And after that, I'll be going to the iconic Bui Vien Walking Street. So stay tuned for these adventures. Now, for those of you who don't know about Saigon Metro, is open like just last year, about December, and this year 2025. So it's already been 10 months of operation. During the first month, they give free entry for like 1 month, 30 days. It's 1 month free entry. I wish they have the escalator, but I don't have here. So this is the view you get. It's just a few meters on the right side, Ben Thanh Market. Let's go. Today I brought my cute toy here. It's a red panda. If you guys are keen, can just purchase on the Shopee link in the tag. The Ben Thanh Market. Lots of items now. As you guys already know, it's rainy season now, so bring an umbrella or raincoat. There's certainly a reason why Bến Thành Market is one of the most iconic and most visited markets. So let's have a short tour. So lots of shoes, souvenirs, and much more. I think they sell coffee and some fruits as well. The durians. You can try to bargain for the prices because the price they quote is normally higher than what the market price is already offering. They say the luggage is 500,000, but it's asking for 800,000, so maybe you can offer 600,000 and then pretend to walk away. If they say like, please take the item or something, if you turn away, then maybe they will accept your price or compromise 650,000. You just look up at the 4 directions. There's the Eastern Gate, Western Gate, and Northern and Southern Gate.
Yeah, that's
You just go straight for Tam Binh. The sellers are all sitting mostly.
You get out all the time and you have a choice. I sell you choice.
So that was the Eastern Gate, and now let's try the Western Gate. Some hats. Lots of handbags here, handicrafts, luggage, glasses. Shoes. Some customers choosing the shoes. Now check out the Southern Gate. Mostly shoes, bags. T-shirts, caps. They even have the make suit in one day, the vest and stuff, and also some scarves here. There are also the nano alleys, but you'll be pressured into like buying because the seller will be standing close to you guys. You guys hear the rain? It's starting to rain heavily once again. So I try my best to speak louder. Next we'll explore Northern Gate, and maybe later I have a dinner right here. There's coffee. Oh, even the animals, there's even the butterfly. There are durian fruits at the corner and even the fruit stores on the left side, and some of the dry food items here. It's an experience watching the locals selling the items, packing and stuff, and also bargaining with the customers. I heard a few customers bargain the price and successful, but do not like bargain too much. And check out the food section right here. Now this part is special because on the left side you have the shops, the souvenirs and stuff, and on the right side you have the food section. Wow. The good thing about here, eating here is because it's raining, you have the shelter. And then after having your food, you just walk out again, and this will be those items being sold once again. The coffee and stuff. And outside the gate there are more shops selling stuff like conical hats and souvenirs. Now there are street food sold just at the roadside, and also lots of bags and luggages, handphone accessories, selfie sticks, luggages, small luggages right here, belts, soft toys. Even the children's jerseys, sugarcane. So from the Ben Thanh Market Western Gate, I'm going to walk to the Fanulao Backpacker Street. The rain has lessened quite a lot. There's no need to bring umbrella right now. There's an Indian restaurant, and you can also buy some out here right here. Try some Vietnamese fruits right here. Ramutans, banana and so on. And by the way, there's a money changer called Hatam, which is very crowded right now. The rates are average, but there's another shop opposite, which is my one, but then it's closed now. So there's a western gate of the Ben Thanh. This is a red light area, and I'll be walking to the Ben Thanh metro station, and from there the other street will be going towards Fanulao. Here along the way I saw this beautiful sculpture, the elephants. I think that's some kind of a museum or something. So this art museum is called TOA. There's a stuff inside. There was the Ben Thanh Market. This is actually the Ben Thanh metro station. And more interesting exhibits right here. You can actually take photos. It's free, but to get inside, you need to pay admission. I think it's not cheap. At least about 500,000 dong and onwards. And many people are waiting for their Grab bikes or the Sun SM because this is a metro station of the Ben Thanh, and they just exited. But because of the rain, there's more demand and supply, so they are just waiting here. Now there's a nice looking little restaurant called Little Saigon Restaurant and Pub. There's a pub here called September 23. It's good for like couple sitting here and just chit chat after dinner. And during the Tết holidays, the New Year of the Vietnam, there will be flowers here because the Vietnamese will like to buy the flowers and decorate in their house. So we call it Tết Festival or Tết Flower Festival. And then there are also other flower festivals in other parks like the Lê Văn Tam Park. And by the way, there is a handphone shop. They call it the Disney Di Dong, which is the world's mobile phone. I reached the Central Market where there's a lot of shopping and international food court. This is a Phan Nung Lao area. Lots of hotels and tour guide agencies. Tour agencies. Look at the small lanterns, they are beautiful. I've actually done a long video in my channel, you can check it out. Today I'm just covering a brief tour. I'm inside the international food court right now. There's lots of foreigners and lots of different kind of dishes from the Vietnamese dishes. Hot pot, even Korean food, Thai food, and the Vietnamese pho noodles. We are even winter clothing here. The price are not stated, but then some of the clothes here, they have the price, only 120k. And look at the beautiful souvenirs and the luggage. There's a cool looking gym called the Gym Bro, as well as 24 hours. Wow, 24 hours pool billiards club, a live focus cosplay studio. The food court is on the left side and more shopping experiences in front with the shoes are. This is the September 23 park in Phan Nung Lao. I'll be crossing the street to walk over to Bui Vien Walking Street. So let's explore this iconic, famous tourist destination of Saigon, the Bui Vien Walking Street, which many travelers go to, and even locals go there also. It's always busy no matter which day of the week, from Monday to Sunday. We have a handphone accessory shop here, and right here a beautiful Vietnamese restaurant. We're reaching in just a few more steps. Here we are. But beware of the Grab riders, which may not be licensed.
Let me show you what you missing.
Wow, I can hear myself now. Here's a less noisy part. There are Vietnamese restaurant, Chinese restaurant, Indian restaurant, and nice hotel here, the Rise. reached the tailor's shop here. The towel suit and ordered in one day. Suit, shirt, dresses and ao yai, which is the traditional Vietnamese costume. Actually in Ben Thanh Market they have the same kind of stuff here, but here is only one shop. There's also a chicken rice store opposite. My family is coming here. Subscribe to my channel right now if you enjoy the video and give a thumbs up so that more people can find the video. Thanks very much. Now that's a nice tour of the Bui Vien, but there are traps here if you are going to the daytime area and moving out because there are taxi and other people trying to ask you something and you buy something. So one technique, one way is to move left and right, not in a straight line, so that they will not purposely approach you. Well, another trick will be to walk fast, but not at the zebra crossing.